4,000 watch hour. One of the hardest thing to achieve as a beginner on YouTube. But in this video, I'm going to share with you guys my method, my secret, how I achieve that. So let's go. I'm going to share with you guys all my secrets. But hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's your friend boys Monakes again. I hope you guys are doing well. As I said at the beginning, I'm going to share with you guys how I managed to achieve my 4,000 watch hour on YouTube. To get monetized on YouTube, to be able to put ads on your video, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour for public watch hour on YouTube. Something that's not easy, because at the beginner you don't have that much view, and you don't have that much subscriber to watch your video, and you'll get there. So sometimes it's not that easy, and they put a deadline. You have to achieve this one in the last 12 months, or else you will restart again, and that's not easy. So in this case, we find a way to achieve that in a short time of period, and I'm going to share with you guys today. So let's go. The first method that I use to achieve my 4,000 watch hour is that I have 1 hour or 2 hours, or maybe up to 5 hours video on my channel. What I do is that I'm going to live stream. I create a video, I'm going to live stream, I talk to my subscriber, to my people on live stream, up to 5 hour, even 7 hour. Because I delete those video now, I was having 7 hour video on my channel. It's not to upload 7 hour video, but it's to achieve something, is to achieve a goal. But what I did is that I download three different browsers. The first, Chrome, Firefox, and Opera Mini. What I'm doing with those browsers is that I use those 3 browsers to play in different channels. For example, I create 3 also different channels. I create another channel for Chrome, another channel for Firefox, and another channel for Opera Mini. 3 different channels beside my channel, my main channel. And what I'm doing is that in each browser I open one channel there, and I'm playing my video there, my 7 hour or whatever hour video on my main channel. I'm playing there, and in each browser I can open at least 3 times. Make a right click and open a new tab. Because if you play with your main channel, with for example Monakes, if you play with that, YouTube will not add your watch hour in the monetization tab. So you open in the different browser with different channel. To create a channel, that's no problem. You just have to have an email, and you just create, and you're good to go. Excuse me. So what I do is that I create another channel and play my own video at least 3 times in each browser, Firefox, Chrome, and Opera Mini. And per day I can get maybe 6,000 watch minute is equal to 100 watch hour. So that's good. And per day you can even go more if you have other people who also help you to watch those things. So that's my first method. The second method that I use to achieve my 4,000 watch hour is that I put all my video in one playlist. All my video combined, is either vlog, video, or everything. I combine all in one playlist. And what I'm doing is that I ask friends, friends and everything, to help me watch my playlist. Everybody who know me, they know I ask them to help me to watch my playlist, because there is no something shame about that. I cannot feel ashamed about it. It's just you asking for help, and sometimes it's not that easy to achieve those 4,000 watch hours. So you need other people help. If he don't do something on his laptop today, say, can you please watch my playlist at least one time? You watch my playlist, and per day, if you have at least 5 people who watching your playlist, who helping you watching your playlist. Imagine if you have 20-hour playlist or 10-hour playlist, 5 people watch, can increase your watch time. So put all your video into playlist, ask friend, ask family member, ask everyone to watch your playlist. Even yourself, you can create another channel also and watch your own playlist. It does work. And the watch time, YouTube adding your watch time on your monetization tab. So that's the second way I managed to get my 4,000 watch hour. The third way is to create a group. For example, in a group of 10 people, 10 people, and for example, today is my turn. Everybody in the group have to watch my playlist today, including myself. If 9 other people watch your playlist, of 20-minute hour playlist. Imagine, 9 by 20 is increasing your watch time. So each person have his own day. For example, tomorrow is my turn, and day after tomorrow is other people, and keeping running like that. And we're doing that till we get our 4,000 watch hour. And besides that, while you're watching playlists, and you can do the other thing that I show you, download 3 browser and watch your own things, instead of waiting for other people. Yeah, because sometimes also people are cheating and say, no, I'm watching your playlist, and they don't watch, and it's not that easy, like it's not everybody who are legit on YouTube, so you gotta be careful. But it does help also. Yeah, you have to find genuinely people so that they can help you achieve your goal on YouTube. Yeah, that's the third way. The fourth way is that watch your video, for example, if you have like a 1 hour video, or maybe any type of video, watch your video in a 0.25 speed. For example, if you watch if you watch 10 minutes video into 0.25 speed, is equal to 50 minutes. So it does help. Imagine if you're watching 1 hour video into 0.25 minutes, how long will it be? So this thing really helps, and you can do that instead of waiting for 6 months to achieve. Because if you want to go like video by video, for sure maybe 6 months, unless you go viral, unless one of your video go viral and you achieve your watch time. Otherwise it's not that easy. If you're getting like a couple view on your video, it's not that easy, because a lot of people don't watch all your video. Like they don't watch the entire video. From if you upload maybe 10-minute video, most of people will watch like from 1 to 3, 1 to the 3rd minute, and they click off. Like people will not watch the entire video. So you better do those things to achieve your 4,000 watch hour before the 12-month reach. Yeah, so those are my secret to get my 4,000 watch hour. I hope you guys enjoy those those small tutorial, and I'm sure if you apply those methods, it will work for you. I'm positive, because it does work for me. And I apply for monetization. YouTube accept my monetization. And if you're watching my channel right now, you can find ad on my YouTube video. Means it does work. Yeah, thank you to watch that video. And if you are new here, consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up. Anyway, if you watch this video, give me a thumbs up, to give me courage to continue, share all my secret, how I manage to achieve all those things. It will be helpful for me, and it will be helpful for me and the algorithm, so that YouTube will push my video a little bit. Thank you, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye. Have a great day. Merry Christmas again.